Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, my name is Shilpa. I'm your teacher. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser, and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my lovely kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Now take out your English notebook. Get ready with your English notebook. Have you all taken out your English notebook? Now take out your pencil erasers. Open your English notebook. Open a blank page. Now sit properly with your back straight and hold your pencil like this. On the blank page, we are going to repeat letters A to F for more practice. We are going to write both the letters, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Uppercase letters are also known as capital letters, and lowercase letters are known as small letters. Now hold your pencils like this. You have to wait for your turn. Speak with me and write after me, kiddos. I'm going to write uppercase A, small says, small a, capital A, small a, uppercase A, lowercase a. Now speak with me. A says A. A says A. So we are going to write A. A. Now we are going to write small a. Now it's your turn to write A. Speak and write. A says A. A says A. Have you all done? Write one more time A. Capital A. Small a. Speak and write. It's your turn to write. Speak and write. A says A. A says A. Now have you all done? Now what comes after A? Correct. It's B. So we are going to write uppercase B and lowercase b. B. B says B. B says B. Now it's your turn to write B. Speak and write, kiddos. B says B. B says B. Write it properly. Be careful about the lines. Have you all done? Now we are going to write B one more time. We have to write uppercase B, lowercase b. B says B. B says B. Now it's your chance to write B. Write it neatly, kiddos. Be careful about the lines. Have you all done? Now what comes after B? Correct. It's C. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Now speak with me. C says K. C says K. C says K. C says K. C as in cat. Now it's your turn to write C. Done, kiddos? Great job. Now one more time we are going to write C. C says K. C says K. C as in cup. Now it's your time to write C. What comes after C? Correct. It's D. So we are going to write uppercase D and lowercase d. Speak with me. D says D. D says D. D as in drum. D as in drum. Now it's your turn to write D. Write it properly, kiddos. Done? Now we are going to write one more time. D says D. Speak with me, kiddos. Speak loudly. D says D. D says D. D as in duck. D as in duck. Now it's your time to complete D. Have you all done? Now which is the next letter? It's E. It's E. We are going to write E. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Speak with me. E says eh. E says eh. E says eh. E says eh. And it's your turn to write E. Write it properly, kiddos. Write it nicely. Now one more time we are going to write E. E says eh. E says eh. E as in egg. E as in egg. Now it's your turn to complete E. Done? The next letter is F. What we are going to write? F. F says F says F as in fish. Now it's your turn to write F. Done? Great job, kiddos. Now one more time we are going to write F. F says F says F as in fish. F as in fish. Now it's your turn to write F. Now we have completed letters from A to F. Now practice these letters again and again for more perfection, kiddos. Keep learning. Be ready with your English notebook. We are going to do an activity in the English notebook. So are you ready? Open a page in the English notebook. A blank page we need. So we are going to match two columns. So we have to write capital letters in one column and shuffle the small letters in other column. We are going to write capital A. Write it from the second row. A. Now it's your turn to write A. All of you have done? Now write B. Now it's your turn to write B. Done? The next letter is C. Now it's your chance. Write C properly. Done. The next letter is D. Now it's your turn to write D. Now what comes after D? Correct, it's E. Now it's your turn to write E. Which is the next letter? Correct, it's F. Now it's your turn to write F. All of you have done? Now come to the next column. From here we are going to write the lowercase letters. These are uppercase letters. Here we are going to write the lowercase letter. But we do not write those letters in sequence. We will shuffle them. So first of all we are going to write C. Lowercase c. Have you all done? Great. Now we are going to write E. Lowercase e. Now it's your turn to write E. Done? Now we are going to write A. Now it's your turn to write A. Now we are going to write D. Now whose chance to write D? Yes, it's yours. Now we are going to write F. Now it's your turn to write F. We will write D now. No, D we have written. So we will write B. Now it's your turn. All of you have done. Now are you ready for the activity? We have to match the uppercase letters with the same lowercase letters. So which letter is this? Uppercase A. So we have to match it with the lowercase a. Spot out where is lowercase a. Is this A? No. Is this A? No. Is this A? Yes. So we will match the uppercase letter with the lowercase letter. A. Now it's your turn to match. Done? Very good, kiddos. This is B. This is uppercase B. We have to match with the lowercase b. And B has a tummy. B has a tummy. Is this B? No, it doesn't have tummy. Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes. So we will match the uppercase B with the lowercase b. Now it's your turn. Have you all done? Now come to the next letter. This is uppercase C. We have to match it with lowercase c. Spot out where is lowercase c in this row. Oh, here it is. So we will match the uppercase c with the lowercase c. Now it's your turn. Done? Which letter is this? Uppercase D. So we have to match it with lowercase d. Spot out where is lowercase d. Is this D? No. Is this D? Yes. So we are going to match D with D. Now it's your turn to do matching. Done? Now which letter is this? E. Uppercase E. We have to match it with lowercase e. Where it is? Here it is. So we will match uppercase E with the lowercase e. Now this is uppercase F. Which letter is left here? Only lowercase f. So we will match uppercase F with the lowercase f. Now it's your turn. Have you all done? Have you enjoyed this activity? Great! Keep learning, kiddos.